Hey there everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Graphics Universe and to our new Photoshop tutorial that we're going to do together right about now. So I hope you all are doing well, and to kick things off I want to thank you guys for watching my previous videos, and I hope you've enjoyed them as much as I hope you enjoyed this new tutorial, which is going to be a retouch tutorial that we talked about previously. Maybe some time before. Okay, we did a video about that, and now this is our second tutorial about retouch. Okay, so let's get started and let me show you what we're going to do this time. So as you can see right here, this is a picture of a statue, okay, that needs a little bit of retouch, a little bit of tidying up and some cleaning up to do. All right, and we're going to do that together using the family of the healing tools, which are, if we have a sneak peek right here, which are spot healing brush tool, patch tool, content aware move tool, and finally red eye tool. All right, so I'm gonna try to do some variety. Okay, so I'm going to use a few of them in order to let me show you some different methods and techniques of using them. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to use is the spot healing brush tool, which automatically does the whole retouch thing on its own. Okay, so basically maybe I'm just going to do that. No, I'm not going to start with this part, maybe that part that was close to his nose, and maybe this part as well, like this, maybe that part at his chin. Not quite. Alright, maybe this dot right over here. Yep. Okay, and maybe I'm going to use on that part. Alright, maybe on that. Not quite. Okay, so I guess that's what the spot healing brush tool is able to do at the moment. So I'm going to use a different tool, which is going to be the patch tool, because the spot healing brush tool had so many details that it couldn't get it quite decent for us. Alright, so I'm just going to select that part over here, and then I'm going to move it with the patch tool like that. I guess the patch tool is much more efficient and much better with this statue. Okay, so maybe something like that. Yep, that's a lot better. And then maybe I'll go back to the spot healing brush and let it have its chance once again, like this. See, it worked. Okay, maybe right here as well. Yep, it worked here as well. And maybe I'll go to the content aware move tool like that. So I'm just going to select that part below his lips and move it somewhere else. Enter. Okay, and then I'm going to return back to my spot healing brush and erase that part. It's quite fun, right? So I'm going to use the patch tool once again on that part right over here, like this. I just hope it works, and it did work. Alright, and maybe that part here as well. No, not like that. See, the patch tool, you select some region and then you try to replace its pixels with another clean region of the photo. Okay, so and maybe I'll just go back to the spot healing brush tool and get that part on his eyes like this and like this. Maybe that part of his ear. Not quite. Maybe I'll take this part like that, like that. Okay, so there's just a few things left to do. So maybe I'll go back to the patch tool and then I move it to the left like that. And then that part slightly above his lips like this and move it like that. It's quite better. And then maybe that part of his nose, that distortion right here. Maybe. I hope I got it right. Um, I think not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my spot healing brush tool and zoom in a little bit like this. So I'm just going to do that. I hope it's done. Alright, that's a lot better. And I'm going to take that part right here, maybe decrease the size of the brush a little bit so the distortion is not as apparent as it seemed a few moments ago. And maybe one last thing to do is that part right here, and maybe a few parts on his face like that. Like, see with me, can you see this part right here? This one I need to erase it or wipe it as well. So that's what I'm going to do with the spot healing brush tool. And that's it. Yep. So I guess that's just about fine. We're done and we've reached the end of our tutorial and we've finished our retouching process. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this short tutorial and learned something new from it. So I hope you've liked it and thanks for watching. So please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button to help support the channel and share the video among your friends for support, and maybe give us a little thumbs up if you're well satisfied with the video and you've enjoyed it. All right, so till next time, see you guys later.